guys, today we are in WYNWOOD, Miami, and I'm going to paint inside walls in an ice cream shop. So I already prepared the design and some sketch for them. We just gotta confirm the last details together, and let's see what's gonna expect us. We're gonna do two walls. The first, this big one with that corner, and the next one, the tiny one stripe. It's also gonna be painted. Let me show you what I prepared for them. The first issue is over here. We have a fire alarm, which is gonna be, if we continue by the sketch, right in the center of the middle ice cream. So right now we gotta figure out how to maybe avoid it or just add some elements to hide somehow. Fire.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Fire should be easy.
Okay, thank you.
The design confirmed, colors confirmed, the composition is already confirmed. We're gonna start cover all floor and all the elements and working. Taped all edges, and now we're gonna project the sketch to the wall to again work with the composition a little bit and start tracing with the pencil. After I'm done with the first layer, I'm gonna do the second one and then cut back all the edges. You see, to make it sharper and very clean. So I'm done with that wall, and in that time till it's dry, I'm gonna start doing a background on this one, and for that we're gonna use the spray cans in the beginning as well. We're gonna do that gradients with that paint. And that spray cans fluorescent paint, so it's mean the color is gonna be very vivid, and they will glow in the dark under the ultraviolet or black light.
My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly. They made me believe love's an open door in the beginning, then they shut it pretty quickly. I thought we were good, at times even great, but apparently I was just one big mistake. My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly. I'm just a victim and not the evil villain, so I'm sorry, not sorry that everyone that crosses my way is gonna feel the same pain that I felt. Love ain't what it seems, it's dark and cold and mean. When you're with me, you and me, you and me, I'ma show you bad, yeah, I'ma show you bad. When you're with me, you and me, you and me, I'll never be plain. My exes made me this way. This love ain't what it seems, it's dark and cold and mean. When you're with me, you and me, you and me, I don't really care if I hurt your feelings. I can make you fall in love, but I won't catch you. 'Cause no one was there during breakup season. All I needed was a couple of I love yous. I'm just a victim and not the evil villain, so I'm sorry, not sorry that everyone that crosses my way is gonna feel the same pain that I felt. Love ain't what it seems, it's dark and cold and mean. When you're with me, you and me, you and me, I'ma show you mad, yeah, I'ma show you bad. When you're with me, you and me, you and me, I'll never be plain. My exes made me this way. This love ain't what it seems, it's dark and cold and mean. When you're with me, you and me, you and me.
Want you to fall in deeper. 보여줘 나의 미소. We're doing a rendezvous, baby, right now. I keep dreaming it's not enough. I pick you up every time we do. We play cause we know this feeling's new. I'm feeling up, down, girl, since I met you. Oh no. 숨은 over me, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. 숨은 over me, it's overdue. 'Cause the baddest of them is you. 숨은 over me, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. My love, my love, my love. We'll take it by the show, 'cause I want you right here when you're calling out. Just tell me you want it more. Do it night and day, make your body sway. And now I'm floating in your ocean eyes, hypnotized, falling right head over heels, still lost in your ocean eyes. No surprise, it's you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Swimming over me, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. Swimming over me, it's overdue. 'Cause the baddest of them is you. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause your love is all I need. Oh, 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 oh. Your love is all I need. Oh no. Swimming over me, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. Swimming over me, it's overdue. 'Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over me, I
say the mural is done. It took me about 3 whole days to paint the whole project. I tried to show you all tips how I did work with the brushes, with the spray cans, some kind of part of stencils as well, to just make the different effects. If you like it, please thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.